Hello and welcome back. I'm really excited today because I have a new DIY kit and I have it here. So in the last DIY kit I did, we did needle felting, which, I loved. It was easy to follow. It had really good directions, but it took so long and I didn't really finish it. But overall, it was a good experience with it, but it took a long time. And now I have a new, I hope that I have a Jesmonite starter kit. And this is what we can make with it, which is super cute. And I'm really excited about this because I was looking at like a new DIY kit to try, and a lot of it was embroidery, and of course I already do embroidery, so I don't want to do that as a kit. Maybe I will do it someday, but this is like that you can make these little trays. So I'm gonna open it up first. And I really love it that you can make like molds with like clay, I think it is. Acrylic. It's like an acrylic. Jesmonite, I actually don't know what it really is, but you can make like these really colorful trays with terrazzo, and I love that. I really like the way they look. But because a lot of things I see online are like resin, and I'm not want to do anything resin anymore because one time it kind of caught fire. I got like a lot of smoke and I was terrified, and I don't want to do that again. And I have a dog, so then I have to do it outside, the whole thing. Okay, I'm gonna open up my kit. Okay, we have here the kit with, in the inside already, I see here, we have all the steps that we need to do. Okay, so let me look at what the contents are. We have a liquids, AC 100 liquid. That is this. That is the base powder. Ooh, mix with an electric mixer. Crap. I don't have. I mean, I do. I have one from like my milk that I, foam up, and I don't want to use that for this. But do we have more? So we have the liquids. We have the Jesmonite base. Jesmonite base. Oh, fuck. Did it get open? No, it didn't. Okay, everything is really nicely sealed in here. I didn't open anything, It does feel a bit... See, I don't know what this is. Maybe this is the base. We have gloves. We have little trays. Molds. So at the Jesmonite base, we have the pigments. We have three colors. So we have blue and yellow and red. And we have two stirs. Okay. So if you add too much pigment, it will stop the Jesmonite from setting and make the cast weak. Once you have your mixture, it will begin to set within 5 minutes. So, but I'm really confused why it looks like this. You know what I mean? Like it looks like this. So I don't know, should I use this or this? Well, let's do this. I want to know how you can add all those little colors. Look. I'm going to use the hexagon because that is like less of a thing, I think. And I'm going to use it. What color are we going to use? I think yellow. I want yellow. I think we're going to use yellow. Okay, here we go. So I have this cup. I have a scale. I'm going to put my gloves on. So 36 grams of fluids, and it says that you need to shake the fluid. So I'm first gonna shake it. I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, so it's at 0 now. And now I'm gonna put 36 grams of fluid. Oh, I'm pretty terrified. I'm afraid it's gonna smell. Okay. I'm afraid it's gonna go all over, everywhere. And I'm like, I don't like... Oh God, it's already coming everywhere. Okay, 36. 36. 36. That's not 36, it says 40. Okay, well, that happened. 4, so I'm gonna do 94 grams. I'm gonna do 94 grams because I put a little bit too much of that in. Okay. 94, I'm gonna turn it off again, on again, so it goes to 0. Oh, now there is a hole in it. We don't need this anymore. And now I'm gonna mix it together slowly. You see, like with everything that I do, there are like all these bubbles in it. So I don't know if I'm gonna get the bubbles out. Like, how am I gonna get the bubbles out? Okay, it's starting to look pretty good. I'm gonna put a little bit of the pigment in. And now I have to hurry up according to what they said on the sheet, because it will start to work really quickly. Or like if I use too much, then it can like disturb the whole process. So, but I'm like, what if you want to have like a really dark yellow, or you want to like mix a lot of colors? Like, how do you do that then? Okay, it's like a really soft yellow now. Okay, here we have our mold. Oh, this is exciting. Okay. Oh, shoot. Okay. I feel this is going really good. I'm going to wait. This says it will cure in 4 hours, so let's wait and then see what we can do with it. And this is the next day, so let's see how it will look. I'm curious. Well, if you look here, you can see a little bit of bubbles. I don't know if I can sand that off, to be honest, but if it's only on the back, it's not that bad. This is really just the next day, so I've waited a long time for this to dry. Okay. We have a little bit of a bubble problem and a little bit of a... you cannot really... Oh, here you see it. You see that? There's a little bit of a shine that's not everywhere. So I think this is just me not being really good at the mixing. Overall, this is really fun. I do think it's like... I'm just touching it if I can scratch it. I don't know what this is, to be honest, this shine that you see. Overall, this is really cute. I think I just need more practice with, I don't know, mixing. I don't know what this is. I think this is just a
me not mixing it really well. Probably. Don't know what it else could be. Yeah, and here we have little bubbles. So I think overall I just need a bit more practice. But other than that, I am actually really loving it because look how much I used. Oh, let me make sure that it is really tight, close. Look, there is still like a lot of product left, so I can make, you know, quite a lot of these things. And I do have other colors. I really also love this color. So overall, I really like this. I'm gonna practice some more with this because I'm really loving this. I got this from Belgium, and this is from Belgium. It's like gigacrea.com, and that is where you can get this. I love it. This product was 40 euros. I will try to find if I can find the Amazon link or where the link from this, but for me it was 40 euros. Plus shipping. So yeah, I'm having fun. I really like this. I just want to point out what I really love about this product is that unlike resin smells, resin is toxic, resin like, you know, I had that resin started to like fume up a lot. So that I had all these fumes going everywhere. And with resin, it also smells really bad. Everything starts smelling. And with this, it doesn't smell at all. It feels really safe. It feels like, it doesn't feel as toxic as resin. And I don't think it also is. I don't think it's that toxic. So yeah, stay tuned for the next DIY box.